Alligator. Alligators can regrow lost teeth many times during their lives.
Hey!
Stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies that help them glide smoothly across the ocean floor. Seahorse. Seahorses swim upright instead of sideways like most fish.
Yay!
Frog. Frogs blink their eyes to help push food down their throats.
Yay!
Crab. Some crabs can climb trees to escape predators.
Woo!
Octopus. Octopuses can squirt ink to confuse predators and quickly escape. Shark. A shark's sense of smell is so strong, it can detect tiny traces in the water. Turtle. Sea turtles use their strong front flippers like wings to swim through the ocean. Fish. Many fish breathe by pulling water through their gills.
Hooray!
Hermit crab. Hermit crabs change shells as they grow bigger. Duck. Ducks have webbed feet that work like paddles for swimming.
Whoa!
Orca. Orcas are actually the largest members of the dolphin family. Dolphin. Dolphins often leap out of the water while swimming at high speed. Whale. Blue whales are the largest animals to ever live on Earth.
Hey!
Sawfish. Sawfish swing their long, saw-like snout to stun fish while hunting.
Hooray!
Snail. A snail carries its shell on its back wherever it goes.
Yay!
Anglerfish. Anglerfish live deep in the ocean where sunlight never reaches. Penguin. Penguins use their wings like flippers to swim underwater.
Hey!
Spider crab. Spider crabs sometimes cover themselves with seaweed to hide from predators. Crab. Crabs breathe using gills just like fish.